Hello there! It's wonderful to have you join me today. Have you ever found yourself at a crossroads, wondering which path to take? We all have those moments, don't we? Life throws us curveballs, and sometimes it feels like we're just trying to keep our heads above water. But within each of us lies an incredible reservoir of strength, a quiet determination that can guide us through any storm. Think about your biggest dreams, those aspirations that truly set your soul alight. They might seem distant, perhaps even a little daunting, but they are the compass points for your journey. The first step, and often the most challenging, is simply believing that they are within reach. It's about cultivating that inner voice that whispers, "Yes, you can." This isn't about blind optimism. It's about recognizing your inherent capabilities and choosing to nurture them. Self-improvement isn't a destination. It's a continuous, beautiful unfolding. It's about embracing the learning process, understanding that every experience, every setback, is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. When you focus on progress, not perfection, you unlock a powerful sense of momentum. Celebrate the small victories, the tiny steps forward. They are the building blocks of significant achievements. Positivity, too, is a choice. It's about consciously shifting your perspective, looking for the silver lining even when the clouds are thick. This doesn't mean ignoring difficulties, but rather approaching them with a mindset that seeks solutions and learns from challenges. When you surround yourself with positive influences and cultivate a positive outlook, you create an environment where your goals can truly flourish. Setting clear goals is like drawing a map for your aspirations. Break them down into manageable steps. This makes them feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Each completed step fuels your determination and builds your confidence. Remember, determination isn't about never feeling discouraged. It's about pushing forward even when you do. It's about resilience in the face of adversity. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. It grows with every challenge you overcome, every goal you achieve, and every time you choose to believe in yourself. It's the quiet assurance that you have the capacity to handle whatever comes your way. Embrace your unique strengths and talents. They are your superpowers. Your motto, whatever it may be, should be a constant reminder of your inner strength and your commitment to growth. Let it be a beacon that guides you, a source of encouragement when you need it most. Remember, you are capable of far more than you might imagine. Keep moving forward, keep believing, and keep shining your light. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I truly hope this resonated with you. If you found this helpful, please consider following along for more conversations like this.